Lo rainin ti carro ko turun yala ka. Yera wa rainin carro minin. Ti menti pello turun puri yala ngantam. So stick with us. We're gonna do some more. Let's go. Top of the bridge in Majuro. This is the top of the bridge. Beautiful. This is one side. I'm gonna go to the other side over there. Just walk over since you know no cars. Yeah, loving the view, loving the ocean. Beautiful Marshall Island. Yeah, you. Woo! Anybody can jump off of this bridge, by the way. I've seen a lot of kids, a lot of adults coming by and jumping off. Awesome. Bridge is shaking when that truck drove by. Man, crazy. But yes, we here, we cleaning, we doing our thing. Yeah, you. Let's go. Yep, and now we are here under the bridge, about to show you this view. As you can see, I'm right here. Yeah, you. I was up there, but now we're here. Let's go check out the other side. Yes sir, look at this, under the bridge. All my years of being here, I've never been down here, you know what I'm saying? So bear with me, I don't know what's about to happen. Let's go. Oh, beautiful view of the under the bridge. Yep, we here. Look at that. Remember when I crossed over? Now I'm here again. Yeah. And there's the bridge right there. Yeah, you. Where I be, right here. Let's go, baby. The ocean is clean. The ocean is looking good right now. Woo, bruh. Look at that view, though. Love it. Anyway, let's go back to the cleaning area. We gotta clean some more stuff, so let's go. Brother Ray is here.
What's up? What's up?
Hello, tarin kami ang hello patakan. Brother Ray will. Nga kami ang hello patakan ini. Keteraran. Pajabar. Majuro Clean Up. Cuma dengan NT. Yeah, we're at the patakan right now. Yeah. Patakan. Oh, kumimilok patakan. Luya kayo lugo na arok correct ya nga. Ang mana? Iya mo jaber lokal. Ah, itu. Training na ba kami ang araw ka kajin. Taw na ho jum jakan. All the way anturin top. Jabut kap kaput. Ang meno na man naman We here at dump. We're about to head back to NTA. Got the whole crew. We'll see you guys at NTA. Shooting. We did the dump from stone house all the way to through Patagan, all the way to dump. And now we're doing the outside of NTA. So keep up with us, yo. Okay. Bunch of things over there to the fence. Awesome. Hard worker. Come on, man. It's Fantastic Friday, y'all. Let's go, man. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the results of everything that they've done. They have moved everything over there, all over there, and yeah. Woo! Good job, gentlemen. Good job. Yes, sir. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it is the end of the day. I'm about to head home, and guess what? Big shout out to all the linemen, to all the maintenance that came out and helped and clean up from the bridge all the way to dump, and then we came back to NTA and we did some more. So congratulations, guys. You guys did an amazing job. Keep it up. Alright, you guys have a wonderful weekend. Today is Fantastic Friday. You know what I'm saying? Let's go.